Is the best place to buy Bitcoin the app you use to split dinner checks? Or should you be using a dedicated, highly regulated crypto exchange? If you're looking to invest in digital assets, you've probably come across Cash App and Gemini. Both let you buy crypto, but they are radically different platforms designed for very different users. Let's break down the key differences between Gemini and Cash App crypto so you can decide which one is right for you. First, the most critical difference: cryptocurrency selection. Cash App is laser-focused on one coin, Bitcoin. It offers a fast, simple way to buy, sell, and send BTC. If Bitcoin is your one and only crypto investment, Cash App's simplicity is a huge plus. Gemini, on the other hand, is a full-fledged crypto exchange. It offers over 70 cryptocurrencies, including Solana, Ethereum, and a host of others. If you want to build a diversified portfolio beyond just Bitcoin, Gemini is the clear winner. Next, let's talk about fees and trading. Cash App is all about convenience. When you buy or sell Bitcoin, they charge a fee based on the transaction value, typically between 0.75% and 3%, which is displayed up front. For a standard Bitcoin withdrawal, Cash App is free, but offers faster withdrawals for an additional fee. Gemini has a more complex fee structure, but it can be much cheaper for active traders. Its standard platform has a flat fee for small transactions and a percentage fee for larger ones. But, if you use their active trader platform, the fees drop significantly, down to as low as 0% for makers and 0.03% for takers. For experienced users making large or frequent trades, Gemini Active Trader is the low-cost solution. Finally, security and regulation. Gemini is built for security and compliance. It is a New York trust company and a highly regulated exchange, known for its commitment to industry-leading security practices like two-factor authentication and holding the majority of customer assets in secure cold storage. They have undergone third-party audits and obtained multiple security certifications. If institutional-grade security and regulation are your top priority, Gemini shines. Cash App uses secure, cold storage for its customers' Bitcoin and provides real-time transaction alerts. However, it's primarily a peer-to-peer payment and mobile banking service that added crypto, whereas Gemini's core business is being a crypto exchange. So, here's the summary. Choose Cash App if you are a beginner, you only want to buy Bitcoin, and you value a simple, all-in-one financial app that you might already be using. Choose Gemini if you want to invest in multiple cryptocurrencies, you need advanced trading tools like ActiveTrader, or you prioritize a platform with a history of strong regulatory compliance and security features. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.